Hello, excuse me, may I ask for your time? Here, my name is Aurelia Skita Chandra. I'm from Batik Unique Store, and I would like to tell you about the result of my fashion design that I design especially for women. Why do I specialize in women? Because, as you know, nowadays Korean clothing style or Korean fashion are much more in demand by most women in Indonesia than Indonesian batik itself. So, I combine Indonesian batik with Korean style. There are two versions of the design. The first design without a mask and the design with a mask. For the version without mask, namely is first combination batik Megamendung. This motif depicts the shape of a cloud in the sky. The Megamendung motif, designed in light blue with a white base color combined with brown, can give an attractive impression your appearance. This batik motif is perfect for those of you who are thin, so it seems better. Second, the second is the combination of the shell batik motif. The shell batik has a meaning of a broad heart and a symbol of fortitude. The shell batik is designed in neon green color from the middle to the bottom and black on the edge. So the shell batik is suitable for obese people because she can look slimmer. Third, the combination of Laris pattern batik motif. The Laris pattern batik is defined as a light rain, which is a symbol of fertility, prosperity, and grace from God. Laris pattern batik design with the basic purple color is complemented by detailed depiction of the batik patterns on the side, on the skirts, and arms, and combined with brown, black, and white colors, so it looks elegant when you wear it. And fourth, the combination of Kawung batik motif. This one has a meaning that symbolizes the hope that humans always remember their origins. The design with the basic color of Tosca green combined with the white for the base and the irregular black line on the side adds an exotic element. This batik motif is suitable for all groups, a very contemporary model. For the version with a mask, namely this, the first is the combination of the shell batik motif with the parang batik. For this parang batik is one of the oldest motifs in Indonesia, namely since the days of the Mataram Kartasura Solo Palace. Then I combine it with the shell batik pattern mask design. The use of yellow for the base is a color that symbolizes joy. Besides, it has a bright nature and helps you feel positive and optimistic. This batik motif is suitable for people who have a thin or ideal body because the skirt is designed to expand. The last one is the combination of carved batik motif. This batik is an ornate image with concave and convex parts that compose a beautiful design, so that it can add an elegant impression to you. Especially equipped with a mask with carved batik motif. Color in clothes use blue because it has a positive effect on the mind and body. This batik motif is suitable for those of you who are still teenagers because they can look more perfect and charming. And then, if you want to buy it now, you will get a 20% discount. If you get interested, you may come to our store. Buy it before it runs out. So that is all from me. I hope that you are interested in my product. Thank you.